right, good morning, guys. We are here on a Wednesday. Yep, it's supposed to be in the triple digits today. We just finished this one. Well, we're about to blow it. And we also finished this one right here. We're about to blow it as well. And pretty intricate. Intricate edging. String trimming. But yeah. We'll show you the front. And you know, yes, it has some dry spots, but they're looking good. And I'm about to blow. Now that edge was done by Harrison Quest with the string trimmer.
Look at that. That's edger, man.
Huh?
That's edger. Look at it. That's edger, bro.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Nice. Here's my cinematic filming right there. All right. Yeah, because he used to push mow it, right?
Yeah.
All right, we can start to blow. All right, another one. I mean, you was on a mission, huh? Hey guys, Johnny with Blades Grass Lawn Care. The guys in the back there finishing up string trimming. But I wanted to take this quick minute, guys, to ask you, what do you do to motivate your guys? It's currently 97 degrees and it's hot as hell. What exactly do you do to motivate your guys? What I do is we make challenges as far as, you know, who can edge crispier with the string trimmer, who can do certain things. And there's Brightview right there. Who can edge and who can do this and who can do that. We try to make it as fun as possible. So how do you motivate your guys? Oh, thank you, man. Who gave it to you? Oh, she's there? Oh, okay. Thank you. We straight?
Yeah, I gotta use them more.
For
the second part?
Yeah.
I gotta use them more.
Oh, it's too high?
It's kind of high, but it's some surprises back there.
Oh, damn. Damn.
And that grass too high for you to kind of see him.
Oh, one of those situations, man.
I don't want him to be like I was that day having a shitty day.
Hey, this won't fit in the back there, right?
He used to, but the gate too narrow now.
Alright.
I want you to be like me, bro.
Yeah, man. Hey, when that stuff, what? Have you ever been splashed before? It ain't no joke, man. Yeah, see if you'd like to share, how do you motivate your guys when it's freaking hot as heck? You know what I mean? And let's be honest, guys, you know, I know, you know, it's our businesses, but you know, guys that are working for you, this is not their business. So therefore, you know, it's a paycheck. It's a paycheck, and the reality is, and let's be honest here, McDonald's is paying, and again, I'm only using McDonald's as a suggestion. Fast food is paying in some places $15. You know, so you have to find ways to motivate you guys, man. You know, by doing certain things, you know, just make it fun, guys. It's got to be fun, you know. The last thing you want to be doing when the temperature's this hot is to be yelling at people and getting upset and walking around with an attitude. You as a boss, man, you know, you need to lead by example. You know what I mean? Don't have an attitude. You know, stuff happens. You know, if something happened, you know, suck it up and drive on, man. Life goes on. You know what I mean? Don't be yelling at your guys in the middle of a freaking hot ass day, because for number one, they're hot as hell, and they're frustrated. And believe me, when guys are hot, because I've been there, when guys are hot, you're frustrated, you know, yo, it's easy for you to say, you know what, bump this. I don't want to do this no more. So you have to mentally engage your guys, keep them motivated. All right. Today's video, guys, just this. You know what I mean? Just show you a little clip of here and there, because it is extremely hot, and it's no time to be filming. As a matter of fact, yeah, it's no time to be filming, man. We how many did we do? Hold on. Let me show you real quick. Okay, everything in circle is what we did today. So you're looking at 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And what time is it? Hold on. 1 second here. Let me grab my company phone. Can you see that? I can see because I got my glasses on. I'm not going to take it off. It's 1:53. Yep. It's 1:53, guys. So, you know, my guys, you know, we've been busting butt. And that's what it's, hey, consolidate your properties, man. I'm telling you, this is what you do, guys. I know this is another topic, but, you know, I have to bring it up, man. I know it's hard, but utilize my cards, and I'll put a link on the top. You know, if you're mowing this property right here, 5 down, 5 to the side, 5 left, put that shit out. Put it out, man. Put it out. I'm telling you. It's hot right now. People don't want to mow their own properties. That's the way you consolidate, man. We just hit all these properties. What did I say? 1920? Hell, I forgot. But we hit all of these, and we started at 7:30 this morning. You know what I mean? And as a matter of fact, and this is where I motivate my guys. We probably hit 2 more, and I just said, you know what? Let's pop smoke. That's it. Let's go. What? Yeah, man. You got to do it, because guess what? Tomorrow's another day, and tomorrow is hot. Hey, guys, thank you for watching my video. Have a great one. Pop smoke. Peace.